बल है श्रद्धा. Because one who believes in something higher, after that he won't keep quiet. He will do something to get it. His mind was soaked, drenched in Shraddha. Not that Rukha Sukha, dry mind is there. He is thinking out of Ahankar only. I see, I don't see God. Arre, tu kuch karke dekho. What happens with Jap, Swamiji? You have done Jap. If you have not done, if you have done, you will never ask this question. You will never ask this question. Only what happens by doing Gayatri Jap? Because you have not done, you keep quiet. Certain things you cannot just, it is not just this is what, you can't show it. Bigger things you can't show it. I also thought, what happens by Gayatri Jap? I went to one saint. He said, how many malas you do? I said, one. Then he said, what do you want? I said, I want to know the power of Gayatri Jap. He said, do 10 malas. Mind was like that. Mind was too attracted to doing jap, puja, meditation. This kind of mind studies. This is what my mind is mad after. Too much of passion is there. I did 30 malas, not 10 malas. 30, 40. It took few hours in one sitting. When I got up after that, I said, I feel whole world cannot do anything to me. You know, the experience that I had at that time, on any topic you think, beautiful thoughts started. As if some Devi entered and started operating. You have to do it to understand this. If you don't do anything, you are just questioning that. Then I realized of that saint's words was there. Similarly with Sapshati also. We have to, certain things you have to personally experience. Then your mind will be drenched with Shraddha. There is a very big world, there is a very big power, there is a very big area. And please note, if I do something wrong, this connection is cut. Cut. And therefore, those who are on this path, they are very insistent on doing right thing. Baba used to say that one anger takes away 1 month of your jap. It burns it. If you are doing. If you are not doing, already burnt is already burnt. वो आपको पता लगाना पड़ेगा. What you feel after chanting Gita. You chant whole Bhagavad Gita loudly and you see what happens after that. You have to do it and then you say, "Ma, Gita has lot of powers." It pervades your mind. Mantra starts coming on your, whole body. Therefore, for Mahatmas, it is said, they never throw their sweat like that. And there will be fragrance in their body. It is said they never throw their sweat like that. When the sweat is there, they will just do like this. There is no stink in their sweat. Why? Upasana is too much. For ordinary person, he can do like that. बड़ी पावर है श्रद्धा में. Okay. More we will see later on. Later on. Please tell everything to me only now. I have come all the way. I have no time. After this, I'll go away. I don't know when I'll come back. I have to complete my studies. My work is pending there. Office is pending. Somehow I made it here. I'm surprised how I made it. Still I'm surprised. I'm still surprised. Am I dreaming? I have to pinch somebody to see it is dreaming. This is how they say. Huh? Pinch yourself. Okay. Sometimes. No, I pinch others also. So is it dreaming? I'm in the ashram. I was just thinking, but I'm quite surprised. How is it? Temple is temple? Oh, very good. Wow. Morning. Very nice. I don't believe I'm here. I'm satsang. I did 2, 3 classes. I can't believe I'm in English, Sanskrit. I'm so happy. I'm learning Sanskrit so long. I've been thinking Sanskrit. I could never learn anything, but now every day I'm learning. I'm really very grateful. Thank you so much. God is really great, Swamiji. Acha, now you know. Okay. People say like that. God is really great. This Shraddha was in Nachiketa. Now what he thought with this, endowed with this Shraddha, not doubt. Not doubt. If you are giving food with Shraddha to somebody, what you will think? What you will think? Huh? I am giving what kind of food, in which what bhav, in what age. I will also get back same kind of food with somebody giving in the same bhav, the same age. Gayatri Upanishad says this. Take it. Then somebody will also be giving this with attitude. ये श्रद्धा होती है. Shraddha is a very big thing. A person becomes very big thinker, a very big lover, a very austere person, because he wants to bring that. So for that, anything he is ready to do for that. Then he will do austerity. He will become quiet. He will tolerate a lot. He will offer himself. He will surrender himself. Endless kind of virtues will start coming in you. And if Shraddha is not there, everything I doubt. I doubt in this person. I doubt it. In worldly level also, he is doubting in everybody. So this Nachiketa, being full of Shraddha, now he thought. What he thought? What he thought. So next third verse, you put it inverted comma, because this is thought of Nachiketa. Somewhere you can point it out, that thought of Nachiketa, and put it in inverted comma. Third verse. What is page? Page 6. पीतोदका जगधत्रणाः दुग्धदोहानिरीन्द्रियाः आनन्दानाम ते लोकाः तान् स गच्छति ताददत्. Again, please chant loudly. Don't only see the book, chant also. पीतोदका जगधत्रणाः दुग्धदोहानिरीन्द्रियाः आनन्दानाम ते लोकाः तान् स गच्छति ताददत्. So his father was giving in Dakshina cows. Acha, cows, yes. But what kind of cows was given? His father was very conjuice person. This much is clear. Conjuice, juice come on. There is no joy. Conjuice number. Everybody think how less I can get. I don't know why he did this mistake, his father. Vajashravasah. Although his father was very good donor, but his son, I don't know what happened to him. Instead of giving the cows, he gave a very emaciated cow in Dakshina. Totally, those cows which have totally lost, so that is given there. And This is all adjective of cow. Bahubri Samas is there, students. Gavah, Gavah, Pitodakaha Gavah, Jagdatranaha Gavah. That who have taken last sip of water. That means there is no energy to sip the water also. Sometimes the patients are there, they can't drink water, they have no energy, they are giving nasal feeding is given. Similarly, these cows were there. This cows he donated. Jagdhat, they can't eat also. Jagdhat Pranaha. They have already eaten last morsel of their grass they had already eaten. Dugdha Doha. They have been milked last time. They cannot be milked now. He is giving a cow or creating a problem for the one who is giving to maintain this. More money will be in the wet. Nirindriya. Nirindriya means, Bhashakar writes what? Aprajanan samartha. Who cannot have calf now. Nirindriya means who don't have the power to have progeny. Nirindriya. Achha. He thought, my father is giving such cows. What will be the fruit of giving such cows? Achha, this cows, if that person Brahmin takes, now I think he will be more troubled by this such cows. In Singapore, I was there, one person came. So he said, I want to donate something. I said, Acha. So he brought one vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. So he brought, kept it. I'm also not less. It is, I also, it starts clicking to me what person is doing in front of me, why he's doing like that. I said, are you shifting? He said, yes, I'm shifting to States. I'm going to America, New York, somewhere. I said, this vacuum cleaner which you have given, is it a new one or you have used it? He said, no, it is a used one. I said, because you had no place to take to America. Therefore, I think you are offering to the. He said, yes. Of kya bole, it's not my habit to say anything harsh. But ashram is not a dustbin. We also can afford. When, if you have to give something, first you tell. You would have told that this is a second hand thing. Because I could not have, therefore I am giving. अब वो क्या होगा? We have vacuum cleaner, I don't need the vacuum. But because there is no place, therefore you are giving. When you have to give something, try to give the best to other person. And if you cannot, and you are giving second hand, please tell it very clearly, explicitly, without chal kapat, that see, this is the second hand thing. If you want to take, you can put this. Maybe some may be needing also. If you want to take, you can take. If you don't want, please don't keep it. But don't try to give it in the guise of a new thing. I asked him. Anyway. I said, yes. This is the kind of donation. Now, what was the Shraddha? As you will give, similarly, God will be happy, unhappy as what you have given. There is one very big scanner. Everything is being scanned around you. Huh? There are unseen scanner all around. Like, somebody's put camera in your bedroom. Lot of hidden scanners are there. Something is scanning your intentions. Constantly somebody is watching and giving marks, also recording also. What is his secret bhav? No, he is talking very nicely to him. I think because he has some work from him. Therefore he is talking nicely. How much marks out of 10? 0. He is giving food to this person. His bhav is very good. He thinks, today is Ekadashi, I am just feeding God. How much marks? 9 out of 10. Well, he's serving his guru. Wait, what buddhi he has? What he thinks while serving? He's thinking I'm serving somebody because it is my duty. Give 1 marks out of 10. What he's thinking? He's thinking he's God himself. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. 10 of 10. Action is same. There's a big marking going on inside. Are you getting my point? He is mopping. Where? In the temple. Evening. How long he mopped? He came late. When everything was over, he came at the end. Why he is late? He is late everywhere. So mopping is done. Mopping is already done. Other person did for him. Okay. Completed his mopping? Yes. Then why he came? Just because to show he has come. 0. Other person did others work also. Inside mopping, outside both he did. Did he complain? Was he angry? Was he thinking that why should I do his work? No. What was he thinking? He is thinking I am pleasing Lord Shiva. Give 10 out of 10. How long he did? How long he has been mopping this temple? He never misses. Last 5 years. Very good. Let Shivji come as his guru. Give big marks. ठीक है? Nothing is haphazardly going on, randomly going on. There are many eyes watching us. And therefore Nachiketa thought that my father is doing like this, giving all the dilapidated cows. Ananda nam te lokaha. He will go to that place where there is no joy, because others will also give him something like that. This is not Ananda. This is not Ananda. Negative of Nand is Anand, not Anand. He will go to hell kind of place. And therefore, he should not be donating such cows. He thought. Asukha, Bhaskar writes, Asukha nam iti etadiye lokaha tan sagaccha. What to do now? Okay. Let me stop because he is my father. So he should not be going through something bad phase. Who thought? Vishwajit thought. Arey, Vishwajit is the name of the yagna. Okay, sorry. What is his name? Vajashrava's thought. Nachiketa thought. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now what he said, he wanted to stop him. Nachiketa wanted to stop his father. Now he thought, why doesn't my father give me to somebody and finish the matter? Because he's protecting all the things for me only. Although in this yajna everything should be given properly, but he's saving something for me. Instead of saving something for me, I think he should give it to me only, give me to some of the Brahmin and finish that. For me, he is committing a sin now. So then he thought. Then he said, not thought. Following the story, easy story. Holy Upanishad is like that. No. This is just the first one is going on. Very interesting Upanishad. Yes. Later on you will see. Sahovacha Pitaram Tatkasmai Mam Dasyasiti Dvitiyam Tritiyam Tagam Hovacha भृत्यवे त्वा ददामीति स होवाच पितरं तत्कस्मै मां दास्यसीति द्वितीयं तृतीयं तगं होवाच भृत्यवे त्वा ददामीति. He said, Sa hovacha. Sa means Nachiketa. Sa means Nachiketa. Morning also Sana Vavatu had come. Only which morning? Today morning only. Okay. Yes. Sa hovacha. To Pitram. Pitram. To the father. English father has come from Sanskrit Pitra. Pitra has become father. Matra has become mother. So there are many English words which have their roots in Sanskrit. Matra. So you pronounce, this Englishman could not pronounce Madra. They could have said Madra. Then Madra has become Madara. Bhratra. Bhratra has become Bradra. They must have said, it has become brother. Swasru is sister. So Sahovacha, he asked his father. Tat. Tat means tat. This is Chandas Prayog, tat. Tat means father. Like you say dad. So there is a tat word is also for father. And tat is for son also. Today you will say that Ramji will call Bharat as tat. Tat is somebody very lovable. So you can fondle him. Oh tat, oh mere bete. You know what you say in Hindi? Oh darling. Darling can be used for the child also. Why are you so shy? So for the child also use that word. No. So but here it is not for that. Nachiketa didn't address his father as darling. He is saying, oh father. Kasmai mam das, whom will you give to me? This should be in inverted comma. You should know it. This is in the book, you can mark it straight in the book. Inverted comma. Because this is the word of Nachiketa. So his father didn't say anything. He just saw. He gave a angry look slightly. And like the parents give, if the child is doing wrong, you just see like that. Don't smile. If you smile at that time, all potency would be gone. You have to really give very strict glance has to be given. If you have it, then the half problem is gone. Sometimes I've seen that. With eyes only you can communicate that if you do this, I will punish you. And if he is not listening, then you can keep on singing. Then you have to give that. So he gave that glance to him. Father. Again he repeated second times. Whom are you giving to me? Already Dakshina was going on. Priests, not 1, 2 priests were there. Hundreds of priests were there at that time, in that yajna. Imagine how much Dakshina has to be given. So here one priest we don't properly give Dakshina. Therefore nobody wants to become priest. So Pitraha upekshmanopi. So he was neglecting. Then this father got angry. Nayam Kumar Swabhava. See in the Bhashya, page 9, first line. This is not in that book. When I say Bhashya, it is in Sanskrit. So once you know Sanskrit, after that you also can see that. Well, there is no transliteration of Bhashya. No, it is not there, fortunately. So father thought, this is not the way the boy should behave like me. Iti kruddha san pita tam. He said, I will give you to death only. Sometimes the parents are angry, they say, Maro jao, go and die. I will give you death only. After that, he didn't get upset like we. That face will become swollen, pumpkin will start handing. He didn't like that. Then he thought, देखो श्रद्धा है ना, Shraddha never interprets from a personal view. He thought, if my father had said something, and while doing the yajna, there must be some message. There is something behind his word. Why he is sending to me? Fifth mantra. Bahunamemi prathamah. Bahunamemi madhyamah. Kigam svidyamasya kartavyam. Yanmayadya karishyati. Again. Bahunamemi prathamah. Bahunamemi madhyamah. Kigam svidyamasya kartavyam. Yanmayadya karishyati. Is it difficult to chant? Difficult to chant or easy? Easy, I think. Difficult? Easy. If some word you are finding difficult, you just mark it somewhere. And later on, when you go in your room, again try to chant. Or you can chant. He thought, he went into solitude. Not out of anger. Sa putra ekante paridevayan chakar. He went alone. देखो यही श्रद्धा होती है. Shraddha, when a person has, he is so tuned to God. What is God's thought about the situation? His thought is about that situation. When ahankar is there, a person, if he was egoistic, he could have said, why he scolded me? Go to hell. Why should I go? He was only doing wrong. Why if he was doing wrong? Why is he giving that? Angry person is not an angry person. He said that, देखो क्या बात है. I like this श्लोक. Bahunam emi prathama. Among various sons and disciples, I think his father was teacher also. And he was also studying in the same school where his father was teaching. Gurukul must be there. He said, among various students, I am the first. At the most, I am second. Among various students, I am either on the top, either I am second. Na adhamaya kadachidapi. See in the Bhashya, those who have heard. I was never the third class student. Third class, understand, no? क्या? Huh? Cigarette? It's a C grade. Okay. Until now, what is the first class and what is second class? I'm searching one shlok here. It had come. Where is that shlok gone? Huh? Anyway, I will see that. Third class means in whose mind teacher's wish is not there. What teacher wants to see, because teacher teaches with the thought that as the teacher is thinking on the subject, the student also should be thinking on the same subject. If you remember yesterday night, one word for Bharatji came, Guru Vritti. If you remember. The thought of the teacher was thought of Bharatji. A guru has a certain thought about the subject, and guru gives a thought to the disciple. An expectation is that thought which guru has given to the disciple, it should be held. It should not be thrown away. So Adham is the one who doesn't bother to keep the guru's thought. He throws away. So next time guru asks, so he feels that thought which I gave is not with him now. He's already spilled it out. Now he is saying, Nachiketa is saying, that I was never a third class student. Now, one shlok is there. Uttamaha chintitam kuryat. Praptakari tu madhyamaha. Ya naiva kuryat ubhaya sa shishyo adhamo mata. The highest kind of disciple is that who need not be told too much. He can make it out and does the thing without even being told a lot. Uttamaha chintitam kuryat. Uttamaha chintitam kuryat. Proktakari tu madhyamaha. Somebody is telling because he was being told, okay, go there. Okay, sir. Proktakari tu madhyamaha. Achha. Ya naiva kuryat ubhaya. One who does not do either by thinking or even after being told. Sa shishyo adhamo mataha. He is the inferior most kind of disciple. Well, it's so hard. I mean, this shlok is so harsh. I'm just telling. There are categories are there. Who is being told what he is told? He is told get up in the morning. Acha. And this Maharaj is there. He is, well, morning time only I get proper sleep. Peak time is only between 4 and 7. I don't want to miss the peaks in my life. Our teacher thinks, yaar, Jabardast, my prarabdh is Jabardast. With this student, my prarabdh is there because he is not following me. So scriptures have highly censored such kind of students. There is a big bad words used for them. Terribly they have given them left and right. I'm not giving this. Why? Okay, he is very thick skinned, he is highly insensitive. Because he will never get the fruit of his staying with the teacher. He will never benefit the big rewards. On the other hand, there will be sin coming. I was giving the marks. There will be sin coming, so he will get a very, very bad fruit of that. Not bad fruit. He will get tremendously bad fruit. How? God will know that. And therefore they are warning in hand. And this is called Adamaha. Nachiketa is saying, I was never a lower class of a student. देखो ये एक संतोष होता है. There is one satisfaction. I didn't do something wrong in my life. I never did anything wrong. I have met certain people. He said, Swamiji, I have never taken anybody's money. I have never cast bad eyes on somebody's wife. I have never, abused anybody in my life. Person is 65, 70. At least I have a satisfaction in my life now. I am not a rich person. I am a middle class person. I was staying in his house. One day we were sitting for lunch on a table. Quiet person. He said, this is what I am. So I have satisfaction. I don't have money. I can't give a lot. But I have a very good conscience in my life. एक संतोष होता है कि what I was supposed to do, I did it. And when you cross 40, by the time much damage is done. And therefore, from the early stages only this training should be given. This Nachiketa is saying like that. He is saying, when I was such a student, why my father is sending me to Yamraj, to death? Why is he sending? Kinshid yamasya prayojanam mayam pratyena. Why he is using me as a gift? Pratyen means gift. Not out of anger. He is searching the cause. Hello. He is not raising an objection. He is searching that there must be some cause. There must be something why he is giving this to me. So at that time, then he was thinking there must be some cause. देखो ये श्रद्धा है. He was not accusing his father. It was not an accusative tone. It's a investigative tone. Investigative tone. There must be something. And then Nunam prayojanam anapeksha eva krodvashad uktavan pita. And then he thought, he thought that maybe my father has said out of anger. But even if he has said out of anger, because he has said that, I should follow it. This is called steal of a person. You know, he was also angry. He said, okay, you also go to hell. You also go to death. This is the way to talk, daddy. You also go to death. What is this? What are you doing? He didn't say like that. Giving these cows, there you will go. You understand that? What are you doing? Eh? Very cultured. Now father's thought, so my son has left the place. He went there. He saw my son is contemplating like this. Father thought, sorry, I did a wrong thing to say such hard words. And, I shouldn't have said like that. Then Nachiketa said, Pitaji, what you said, I am going to follow. He said, what? No. Don't follow that. I just said out of anger and, heat of the moment I said like that. He said, no, whatever words we should say, we should follow that. We should not be eating our words and gulping our words. This is the next verse where he is now emphasizing that we should not be untruthful in life. This is the character of Nachiketa. Why this story is told? Out of 4 things, purpose of this Valli, Shishya Lakshanani. That means Shishya should have Shraddha. Shishya should have nobility and culture, that he is not harsh. Shishya should be loving the truth. Father said, no Nachiketa, don't go. Then what Nachiketa says, we will see it tomorrow.